Hey guys, so this is a picture of Texas in autumn. So the leaves are changing. It's they call it fall or autumn. And now you can see the beautiful Christmas trees that will be taken away, I'm sure, when it's time for people to cut them down. So for Christmas trees. Anyways, I just wanted you guys to see that. So happy, wonderful Wednesday, all. I hope you all had a good rest of your day yesterday. Check out the wonder for today and be ready to share at 8:30. You have science at 9. Today is Wednesday, so no Spanish. In literacy, we will watch a video on character traits, plot twist, and identifying theme. We will also do a practice together on plot. In math, we will discuss prime and composite numbers, as well as factors and multiples. We will have a quiz over these topics on Friday. At 11:45 today, we will use this time to complete any work that we did not finish during our math or literacy class today. It is packed full, so we will need that time. Let's make it a great Wednesday, and I will see you guys at 8:30.